Hey, Joe, what are you doing?
Well, I'm testing our brand new product. This versatile cable features two connectors with Type-C and Lightning ends. The Type-C supports up to 65 watts and the Lightning supports up to 27 watts of fast charging, taking your device from 0 to 60% in less than 30 minutes. Crafted with nylon braiding, this cable can handle pulling, twisting, dropping without breaking. And the connectors are reinforced with zinc alloy for extra strength and durability. And it comes with a neat touch. Compared to these, we have added magnets on the connectors so it is easy to tidy up your desk and keep it clutter-free. And if you're interested in our brand new product, you can click